When I make my T-weeder tool, one of the things I need to do is bundle ropes, make 25 feet of rope bundles to put onto the device, onto the tool. And what I've done in the past is just use my hands and wrap them around my hands. And I was looking on the internet trying to find a machine or something that I could use to make this a little more uniform and easier. And I ended up coming up with this. What this is I went online, monsterguts.com, and I bought a motor with a gearbox assembly. You can see it underneath here. It's a 2-speed motor, and I think it was around $30. And then I bought the 12-volt power supply that they supply along with it. You can see that right there. I think that was another $15 or $20. And put this together, and then I wired it to the high speed connection there, and then I just used an inexpensive, it was under $1 for the little box and a single pole light switch to wire it for the on and off. And what I do, I use that to, and this is an electric rope cutter, so it cuts and seals the end of the rope all at the same time. Because I buy my rope in a 3,000 foot spool like this, and this makes it a lot easier to bundle the rope and make this work. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. I've got these arms here spaced so that 21 revolutions and then a cut gives me my 25 feet of rope. And then I use just a plastic zip tie to secure the bundle in the middle and cut that off. So I will demonstrate how this works. Okay, so I've got this arm. I had a guy that does the metal fabrication for the T-weeder built the arm with the uprights on it, and he built this little bracket to mount the motor to, and then we just put it on this, secured it to this piece of wood. So that's something you'd have to do. It was pretty simple, I guess. But so 21 revolutions, and then I cut it, and I got a bundle of rope. And I cut the rope. That seals the end. Take a zip tie. Put it around the center. Pull it tight. Clip it and release it. And there you have it. You got a nice even bundle of rope, 25 feet, and we're good to go. So I hope that helps somebody else. You can put something like that together pretty easily with not a whole lot of skill necessary. Thank you.